Okay, working on Duke's truck again today. He got himself some diamond eye exhaust we're going to put on here. And going to hack it off first with the sawzall. Start your way from the back and work your way forward. And then bolt the new stuff on. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is sawzall stuff off. I'm going to hack off here and here in case we need to use these brackets. You might have to weld them back on. We're going to sawzall our way forward towards the front of the truck and just start hacking mufflers and bent pipe, you know, over the axle, tailpipe and stuff off. So just working our way forward. We're saving these brackets because we never know. We might cut them off and re-weld them to the diamond eye, which is the brand he went with. He went with 5-inch all the way back. It's just 4-inch from the turbo and then 5-inch the rest of the way. Okay, we hacked this thing off from the back, worked our way forward, cut, left the brackets. It's a Flowmaster muffler, so we don't know, we might use it for something, but cuts, you know, all the way to the front. Take it off. Now we're getting ready to put all this diamond eye stuff on. So it's getting ready to go on, but as you can see, you just cut it off with the sawzall, make it easy to come out. It was ready for it. This over the axle, starting to get a little rust towards the top there. Before we tighten up these bolts at the turbo, we're going to put some straight pipes on the reducer or expander or whatever you want to call it. This thing that turns it from 4-inch to 5-inch the rest of the way out. We're going to put it on, put a bunch of straight pipe on, all the way out towards the back before we even tighten this up at the top, the turbo. So we make sure we got everything straight. Going to put probably an old bracket back in there. Even if he has to weld it on, we're going to do that too. We're going to hook this up and put tacks on this up by the cross member first. Makes it a lot easier to weld here and now versus up on the truck. Okay, we got this 5-inch diamond eye exhaust on finally. Don't know if we did something different than they normally would have. We got it up a little higher than all the brackets they had. We redid it a little bit different. We tack weld all the joints. Got that clamp in that in the right hole up there. Tacks. Tack welds on everything, and then brackets. We redid that bracket. Redid that bracket. And that one's still the same, a little close, but yeah, we put this one here on the end of the shackle. Got a longer bolt than what they supplied and used the old shock rubbers that we put new shocks on too. So it's all installed. We're going to see what it sounds like now. Sounds pretty good. This thing still got that 12-valve manifold?
Yes, it does. Put on there about 2.5 years ago, and it's still on there.
All you got to do is put some RTV on there, the red stuff. Just like a small block shiv manifold, it seals right out. That's awesome.